Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to open a Citibank account online in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head into www.citi.com and simply click on open an account on the top right of your screen. Then you can simply go ahead and choose the type of account that you want to open, like saving, checking, or even certificate of deposit. Then you want to simply go ahead and select either of it and click on open now. It is going to go ahead and ask you for a lot of personal detail, and for it is going to ask you for your personal information, including name, address, date of birth, and contact details. Simply go ahead and verify your identity using your SSN and other required details, and you may also need to answer security questions. Then it is going to go ahead and ask you how you're going to be funding your account. Simply go ahead and have an initial deposit, and then your account is going to be created. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.